Good morning, everyone. My name is Ayush Mishra from M1 section in MNTC, and today's my short topic is lathe machine. Now, content, introduction, working, types of lathe machine, parts of lathe machine, application, advantages and disadvantages, and block diagram and conclusion. Introduction. Lathe machine is one of the most important machines tools in metalwork industry. It operates on the principal rotating workpiece and fixed cutting tool. And lathe machine is also known as mother and father of entire tool family. Now see a image of lathe machine. This is the image of lathe machine. Now working. A lathe uses a rotational force and stationary cutting tool to shape a workpiece, which is typically made metal or wood. Removing material from a workpiece, it's lathe's primary function. Now, types of lathe machine: speed lathe, center engine lathe, and tool room lathe. In 1718, Russian engineer Andrei Novaty invented one of the first lathes. Now, parts of lathe machine: bed, headstock, tool post, tailstock, chuck, saddle, carriage, compound slide, lead screw, feed box, apron, bed. Now, parts of lathe machine, you can see a image already mentions the parts names. Now, block diagram: input power go to the motor already fixed in headstock connected with the chuck rotate the workpiece, means our raw material, and feed gearbox and tools apply on it, and we get a final product. Now, application: wood turning, metal working, thermal sparring, metal spinning, reclamination, and glass working. Advantages: high productivity, increased production speed, cost efficiency, and operation. Now, disadvantages. Main disadvantages of using lathe machine: it's required frequent maintenance due to high precision. Now, conclusion. Now, CNC machine is the revolution of various industry produce their products, and conventional lathe machine replaced by CNC machine makes manufacturing process automatic. Thank you.